pickled carrots. This is how we like to enjoy them. This is the beans from the pintos and cheese recipe. And I toasted this whole grain corn tortilla on my stovetop over the flame. And I'm layering these up. So these are fermented carrots, jalapenos, and onions, used as a condiment in Mexico, typically pickled with vinegar, but we're making them full of probiotics by fermenting them. We're making them more powerfully protective. I guess I could use a few more jalapenos on there, why not? A few more onions too. Let's go heavy with it. And then I have some of my taco slaw to top this off and protective cilantro. And that's how we do this and enjoy pickled carrots, onions, and jalapenos